What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And it's gonna be a quick video about minimalism and do I regret it? No, I don't. It's the best thing I did in my life. It's actually exciting when I get to put some of my sneakers on eBay and see it sell and get the money back. Got a couple of pairs left to sell. Some of them I gotta give away because they're not gonna sell. I know that for a fact. But minimalism is going great. Nothing wrong with it, nothing bad about it. And it just basically changed my life. It's actually made me happier looking at things that I don't really need. And just making me more cognizant about investing, putting my money away, seeing my money grow, putting it in a bank account, seeing it and not wasting it on stupid shit. Right now I'm on a 40-day water fast, 40 days, 40 nights. That's going to be a new program I'm coming up with. I gotta do it myself first before I can actually talk about it with anybody else. So 40 days, 40 nights coming soon. Checking my description. There's a lot of things going on in my description box. Books I recommend. If you want to donate, you can donate if you want. If not, it is what it is. A lot of the donation anyways, if I do get donated, is going to another charity anyway, so it is what it is. Pencil of Promise, go look that up. But yeah, minimalism has helped me just look at things in a different perspective, as far as I really don't need a lot of stuff. Getting more back into meditating and getting back into myself. Also the 40 days of 40 nights includes meditating every day for the 40 days and 40 nights with water fasting and basically just a liquid fast. Basically, first 3 days is always the hardest, but after that, the 6th day was the easiest, and then the 7th, whatever. I did do a 10-day water fast and a 10-day juice and water fast, and that went straight. But now this 40 days, 40 nights is on a different level, so this has nothing to do with minimalism, but I'm just getting more conscious of self again, getting back into yoga, meditating, and actually doing the things that I can benefit from, and stop chasing and just receive things that I really need, like food, fruits, vegetables, stuff like that. I'd rather spend my money on good food than spend my money on junk I don't need. So that's my progress now with this minimalism lifestyle. It's been a couple of months already. I'm not totally there yet, 100%, but it takes time. Like I said, still gotta get rid of the books. That'll be gone soon. So thank you for watching my video, and I don't regret this minimalism lifestyle. It's been a benefit. So thank you for watching my video. Peace.